Hi everyone, welcome to my channel I Learn. This is the first video in the series Basic Catia Tutorials. In this video, we will make ourselves familiar with the Catia graphical user interface. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe and also click on the bell notification icon so that you never miss any of my videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Catia stands for Computer-Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. It is designed by a French company named Dassault Systems. Catia, with its broad range of integrated solutions, is the leading product development solutions for all manufacturing organizations. Here I have skipped the Catia installation part and I will be directly going into the graphical user interface. I have already opened my Catia and you can see it in your screen, the application window. Over the top we have the main menu. On the top right corner we have the 3D compass, and on the right side of the screen we can see the different toolbars used for different operations. On the bottom side we have more tools, and on the bottom right corner we have the power input mode, and on the bottom left corner we have the prompt zone where you can see different kinds of messages. On the left hand side we have what we call the specification trees, and if you go onto the main menu we have the start menu from where we can toggle between different workbenches. The file menu is the document management tool for creating, saving, opening, managing and closing documents. Similarly, the edit menu includes all the editing actions such as undo, redo, cut, paste, delete, and storing or editing section selection sets. On the view menu, we can find different options which controls the graphical user interface viewing options. Similarly, the tools menu contains various tools for customizing and different capabilities. Windows menu is enabled with multiple document interface or MDI. With window menu, you can manipulate several documents at the same time. The help menu gives information about various commands and menus used in Catia. So now you can see on the center of the screen we have three orthogonal planes. So that is the reference for our 2D sketches. The specification tree is a browser containing the history of tools and process used to create the part. The work area defines the space in which models and drawings are displayed and modified. Similarly, the compass performs certain manipulations on certain objects relative to other parts if they are in the assembly. Similarly, the prompt zone is displayed as a message area. It lists some helpful prompts for the user. The power input mode assists user to enter numeric data, to enter command, to enter selection query using query language. The power input field is located in the bottom right corner of the status bar. For the purpose of this series, we will be looking only into the sketcher and part design. However, since most of the functions of a sketcher can be done in the part design, we will focus mainly for the part design workbench. I have closed all of my previous windows and I'm going to start a new window. For that, I will be going to the start menu, come down to mechanical design and then to part design. Here I can enter the name of the part. For the time being, I will use the default name. Then click OK. This window might look familiar to you as this is the same window that I opened previously. Here you can see different tools and options for creating our part. If you hover your cursor over a tool, then it will show the name of that tool. We will be using all of this tool as the course progresses. In the next and the upcoming videos, we shall see how to use these tools. So stay with me and thanks for watching.